Hi, this is Zora, and a few months back I have joined Artivatic. It has been a great journey with the company so far. One thing I will tell you that if you want to grow and gain experience with the latest AI technology, then Artivatic is the right place to work. Here we work hard and party harder. At Artivatic, you will get a chance to work with an amazing technical team and seasoned leaders who will guide you in every step of your professional career. Basically, we are a truly rocket ship growing at an unprecedented speed and want great minds and exceptional talents to be a part of our success story. And for myself, I look forward to more success with Artivatic. Thank you and Happy New Year to my all Artivatic stars and extended family.
Hi, I'm Nidhi Sharma. I joined Artivatic in November 21. It's barely been 2 months and it already feels like family. So one thing that I really enjoy about working with Artivatic is we believe strongly in a culture of work hard and party harder. We've had sleepless nights to meet our deliverables and to provide our clients the best of services and products, but at the same time we ensure we also do party and regularly reward ourselves. It's been a great experience and I'm looking forward to more successful impact stories with this organization and the people here. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Purva from the marketing team. So I joined Artivatic in the month August 2021 and it's been almost 5 months since I have been a part of this organization. The fun part of this organization is that they follow the motto of work hard and party harder, and this provides immense learning and success in my career path. If I would say that each day I spend here, I learn a new chapter, and kind of experience and exposure I get here has groomed me to be a better person. Artivatic provides a perfect platform for each and every employee, and I am proud to say that I am a part of this organization. In the coming years, I would definitely look forward to work with Artivatic and learn more about our products and to serve our clients better. So, Happy New Year, guys! Have a great holiday.
Hi, my name is Adi Narayana. I'm a part of Artivatic, working in HR and admin department as head of admin. I've been working for 5 years as of now. If I want to describe one word about Artivatic, it's fulfilling. The best thing in Artivatic is our founders and our teammates, very cooperation and supportive. It's every time motivating. In Artivatic family, learning new things is great experience. We grow as family in Artivatic team is always being happy. I love the way the team works for Artivatic is great. I wish all the very best for the entire team of Artivatic and Artivatic family, and wishing you a happy new year. Stay safe, stay home, get vaccinated. Thank you all.
Hi team, this is Hari Krishnan from CV team. I have joined Artivatic team 2 months back. Till then I was in academics and research for the past 6 or 7 years. This is my first industry experience and industry job after my PhD. So I had a hesitation and I had a worry about how the industry life and corporate life will it be suitable for me, and all those things were there in my mind once I joined Artivatic. But I had a dream like to work in an industry apart from academics and research, and that's how I came into Artivatic. But the team in Artivatic, especially my CV team, those guys are simply awesome. They help a lot for me to complete my tasks. Whatever doubts I have many people around me to help. That helps me also to improve my skills and to adapt to the corporate and industry life. So this is the first opportunity for me, and the first impression for me is simply awesome. Artivatic is the place I can grow, I can learn a lot of things, so that which will affect and which will improve my skills in a long term. So I wish all the success to my team and the company Artivatic. Let's grow together. Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you.
Hi, this is Soumya from Calcutta. I have joined Artivatic in July 2021 and I mostly handle the work related to the UI, the front-end development. And it's been an amazing journey so far, working with my colleagues. They are fantastic. Surinder, Abhimanyu, Nikhil, Parthipan, all of them, and be it the designer team, be it the backend development team, they are fantastic and it's been an amazing journey. Thank you.
Hey there everyone, hi, I'm Dr. Meenal Muni, working at Artivatic as a Senior Product Manager for Health. I had joined Artivatic in June 2021. It has been an excellent journey working with Artivatic on the product that we are developing. It was great to interact with Layak, Puneet while the work was on, and there were a few ups and downs. There were definitely challenges, but I'm glad we overcame all of them and develop the product to a stage where it is much enhanced now. Looking forward to more such experiences in 2022 and going forward. Thank you all.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi Sharma and I am been a part of Artivatic team as a social media marketing executive. My journey with Artivatic started just 2 months before, but till now it has been a really amazing experience and a learning experience too. The Artivatic team is a really like a family and we enjoy a lot together. We learn a lot from each other and overall it is a great experience to work in Artivatic. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Hey guys, a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year to you and your family.